Hey everyone, it's Jana Verbakel Leach, realtor in London, Ontario. Thanks for tuning in to see my latest listing here on a beautiful quiet crescent in southeast London. This 4-bedroom home also boasts a fully fenced backyard, and although you can't see it just yet, with spring around the corner in a few weeks, you'll have a garden full of beautiful plants, along with the hummingbirds and cardinals that will come to visit in the spring. So enjoy the video and let me know what you think. If you'd like to arrange a private tour, you can reach out with the information you'll find at the end of this video. Thanks for watching.